Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you do trending FaceApp challenge. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to our Play Store and then search for FaceApp. So here is FaceApp and it's about. So first of all, we are going to install. I've already installed and I'll open it directly. And then you can see here FaceApp interface is open. Now I will click on photos and I will select that photo. So I will be selecting this one, my photo. I will select this and it will process. It takes some time, and then you can see here the impression, smiles, beards, gender, hairstyles. So here you can choose. So suppose I will choose here gender, and you can choose here any. So I'll by here you can see here changes. You can see here changes, and you can preview and you can apply. So I'm going to change here gender, hairstyle. So you can change your hairstyle also. So here is, and after that you can apply, or you can see here by this function you can see here. You can see here after typing this, you can see here the preview before and after, and I will apply this. And even you can change your beard. There are many options: impressions, smiles, beards, gender, hairstyle, hair colors, age, size, glasses, morphing, makeup. You can do changes here. You can see here. Okay, even you can change your tattoo. You can see here, and then even you can crop, and after that you can go to, there are many functions. You can go and change there, and its layout, how do you want to show. Here are the functions. So for now I'm going to save this, and you can share it in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, others. You can share everywhere where you like. So for now I'm not going to share, I just want to show. And you can see here before and after interface. So you can see here I imported this and I changed into this, and it will show before and after interface. So now I'm going to save this, and it's successfully saved. After that, when I come to my gallery, you can see recent app, it changed into this one. So in this way you can change your face now FaceApp challenging trend. So in this way you can change. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.